Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a minute. Slowly recovering. We are back today on the MK8 GTI. We are doing a 034 Motorsports turbo inlet and a intake with the carbon fiber heat shield. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and follow the instructions on the website. It says stage one or step one is to assemble the carbon fiber box, put the grommets in, put the little thing on the outside for the secondary air filter, and then yeah, we'll come back when we start taking everything apart.
It's too big.
All right, so once you put the whatever it's called, the carbon fiber air intake housing, once you put the carbon fiber heat shield together, you're gonna come out here and take this off, pinch those two here. Alex just wants to go get a screwdriver, and you put that in here and pull that out. You get a hose clamp, push that together, and then they want you to do that down there. But if you got the 034 kit, you're also going to get the with the turbo inlet, you're just going to get a T27. I'm going to see if I'm trying to get anything in there. So just go ahead, make sure you're on the right one. I'll come back once this is loosened out. All right, so once you loosen that T27, it won't come out on you. It's got a nice little rubber O-ring on it, so it literally won't come out. You have to pull it out, and then let me hand this over to Alex. When you pull it out, all you're gonna have to do is you have to rotate it towards the firewall and then pull it out, and that way you don't have to fight for that right there. But since you're replacing the whole intake hose, you could just put this to the side. And now, if you're wondering if a catch can is worth it, the answer is yes. A catch can is always worth it. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pop this out real quick. This is easy. All you do is you go ahead and you pull out on the back of the airbox cover.
Make sure to undo this.
Yep.
And this.
It's literally just held on by grommets. This guy goes to the gym every day and he can't pull out a little. There you go. It's in the duct, so yeah, it's just roll it forward and that's it. Got squirrels living in your car. Jeez. Look at those things, weren't getting sucked up into the engine.
Look at them, like a nest.
Oh wow, yeah, you can see it. Oh, they won't be able to do that anymore. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and yeah, we put a nice little short shifter on there before I started the YouTube channel. But we're gonna go ahead and just reverse and we'll come back. All right, so the install is very easy with this. Don't worry, it's not gonna go in to that gap like the stock one did. As long as the hole lines up, you're good. It said we had to disconnect the wastegate, but we didn't have to. But you can see the hole lines up very well. So we're just gonna go ahead and put that T27 back in, and then we're gonna install the intake pipe, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, so the intake's all installed. Turbo inlet. Couple problems we ran into. Be mindful of where this is. The hose clamp. It was outside here. It will not slide underneath this. So we just disconnected it and then fed it back through. Careful with the screwdriver. Luckily, I wasn't installing it on his car, and he was manning the screwdriver and slipped but luckily this little filter covers most of it. This part's a little of a pain, so we're probably just gonna have to cut it right here. Cut it right here because it likes to pop up very easily. So if you do a little relief cut, that'd probably be the best. Yeah, because now I'm just screwing with it. Just be very mindful. Carbon's carbon, it scratches easily. We really couldn't get a great adjustment out of the filter. I mean, hose is pushed back as far as it can go onto the turbo inlet. That's really all we had. I mean, you're blocked by the bracket for the filter, so you can't really go anymore. Kind of a little crap design, but you know, it is what it is. It's 500 bucks, good price. But yeah, like I said, we're probably gonna have to make a relief cut because it's popping off. But yeah, we'll get some sound clips for you. Check that exhaust. Would not go on the highway. It's all milled.